everyone, welcome back to another unboxing with Danny and Jazz.
Hi!
And today we're going to be doing April's Geek Gear. This box has come in a little late because we're in May now, so this box is £19.99 with £2.99 shipping delivered. I'm not 100% on the hints and tips that they do put on their Facebook page and spoilers and stuff like that. Tried to stay clear of it this month just so it was a little bit better. Nicer surprise. So, but yeah, if you do want to get one of these, links in the description below. There is also a referral code which will get some money off and help me out as well. So, but yeah, there's only one thing left to do, Jazz, and that is open the box. Open the box.
Open the box.
Can I open it?
Open the box. Yes, you can.
Really?
Open the box. Open the box. Open the box.
Yes,
Open
the box,
Open the box
is
the box is now open
by me. I think that's the first box I've opened in, I can't even remember how long since. I don't think I've ever opened one, have I?
No.
Oh.
It's gonna have
Is that the first and the last?
Probably.
Probably. Right, let's see what we've got. I bet it's something to do with like Avengers, because everything has got Avengers in it at the moment. So,
Yeah.
which we haven't seen yet, so don't be putting any spoilers in the comments.
Spoilers.
Let me know what it is like, or if it's good, bad, or whatever. I've heard some people say it's one of the best movies I've ever done, so I don't know how good that is. Oh, that's brilliant.
And I'm all geeky up in XL, which is the, what is it called again?
The Infinity Gauntlet.
Yeah.
The pin, Infinity Gauntlet pin. Oh, do you know what? See which one we've got is silver, which is...
It's still silver. Silver's good, that.
Silver. So yeah, silver edition. Not original,
But
not
gold.
rare, but middle. So that's a nice, that's a nice, it's a nice little pin, isn't it? I don't think we'll take it out of here, Jazz.
No. That's amazing.
So yeah, but yeah, that's nice. Nice item. Not it's only a pin, but we like pins, don't we?
Yeah. Next item.
Yep. You see, April's. Giving that to me. We did get the wizard box, didn't we? We got that one quite early.
Yeah.
And that was from Geek Gear. Weird. Anyway.
What's that?
Oh, we got the.
Cushion cover.
Oh, I hope it's not going down the same route as the wizard box. It's cute in a wizard box, but
Oh, no.
what cushion cover is it? It's usually like a homemade. Oh, two cushion covers.
Ooh.
Scratch that. I do like a cushion cover. Oh, we don't like it. It's cushion covers in the end.
Don't lie. It's not very nice to lie.
No, it's not. Right, we have a Predator. There we go. A Predator cushion cover. Is that Alien one? Because it'll be Alien versus Predator. It is.
Oh. It was upside down. I was like, what? It looks like a brain.
There we go. Alien and Predator cushion covers. So, yeah.
Covers. Next item. What is this?
Who is that? What is that?
Metal poster display.
Oh. So it's just a metal. Do you want me to have a look? Ah, right. So we've got a metal poster with it's numbered. Poster number 270. Master of production and signed on the back. If you can see that.
Alright, you stick the magnet on and then you peel the tape.
And stick it on the wall.
No, you don't stick it on the wall, you have to take that off, put it on the fridge and then peel it off and stick that on.
Oh, that's alright, that's nice. I like the way it's numbered and stuff. I'm not sure how many it's out of, but it'll probably tell us in the book later anyway.
It's called Display It.
Right, yeah, so that's an alright item. Different, which is nice to have. Something different. Display.
Next
Number 270.
It's a coin. See if these a limited edition coin.
Ah, a lot of boxes are doing these limited edition coins at the moment. Oh, yeah, sure.
Yeah, me stubby arms.
I'm not sure. On my face. This is just says limited edition. I don't think it's got a number on it. Let's have a look. Limited to 9,995 worldwide, individually numbered. How would Jazz get your young eyes on that? No?
Maybe inside you can open it. Do you need any help?
No, thank you.
Are you sure?
No, I'm not sure. Come on.
Packaging for a coin? Jeez.
Tell you what, I'll put on in the description. I'll put what number we got. But yeah, there's Sea of Thieves one, the game that's just come off the Xbox. So, but yeah, that's an alright item. It's collectible, so I like something that's collectible. And plus, I've seen, you know, the recent ones that they've been putting in boxes, like Jurassic Park ones, Back to the Future ones, and stuff like that. I've seen them go for about £20–25 on eBay as well. So,
poster?
Yep, let's do it.
Iron Man in Avengers Infinity War.
Oh, that's a nice one, isn't it? There we go. We've got a GEEK GEAR exclusive Iron Man print. I told you, Avengers Infinity War. Knew there'd be something in there. Which is alright, yeah?
Looks like
just a t-shirt. Just a t-shirt. Nothing else in there?
Nothing else.
Sure. Right.
Sure.
Let's have a look at this t-shirt, see if it's any good.
Oh, it's an Avengers t-shirt.
Ah, Avengers. There you go, you grab that side. We have an Avengers t-shirt. Haven't you got a Spider-Man one like this?
Well,
Bit like this.
It's not like this. It's a weird pattern where it's 4 Spider-Mans and they're all different colours.
Yeah.
But they're the same colour. The same colours are in each box, but they're on different parts.
Right. I think he understood that.
Explained.
But yeah, as you can see, it's an Avengers t-shirt, which is quite good because it doesn't stink of cheesy puffs.
Cheesy puffs.
So yeah, probably wear this when we go watch it. So that'll be good, won't it? So yeah, that's alright. Like I say, that was April's GEEK GEAR box. Yep, quick recap. T-shirt.
T-shirt.
We have the cushion covers, the Predator and Alien cushion covers.
Print.
Which is weird.
Iron Man print.
Yeah, the print. We have the Sea of Thieves coin,
Coin.
which is quite nice.
Got the GEEK GEAR exclusive enamel pin,
Yep.
which is a gauntlet.
And we got the silver one, didn't we?
Yep. Silver.
And we have the metal
Thing.
metal.
Metal thing.
Get off.
Mm.
We have the metal thing.
Metal thing.
And like you say, it was numbered to 270. I'm not sure how many it's out of. Anyway, we'll have a quick look through this book, see if we're in it. If not, then I don't care.
It's poo.
Anyway, exclusive enamel pin, £9.99. You could have got 3 of the different ones, the prints, as you can see here.
And we got Iron Man.
Yeah, and we got Iron Man. You could have got Spider-Man or Captain America. They have priced their prints at $4.99. The Predator cushion covers. The licensed Marvel display. Which one did we get again? Oh, we got Thor. You could have got a couple of other ones, as you can see there. They've put them as £7.50. I know they're quite expensive, them displays. So, and £15 for the cushion covers. Exclusive T-shirt, $9.99. Captain America, Iron Man, Hulk, blah blah blah. And the licensed Sea of Thieves coins, 995 worldwide. Antique finish coin. Blah blah blah.
Blah blah blah.
So yeah. So next month's hint is Deadpool. Which I can't wait until this comes out in the pictures. I'm going to go with the wife to watch it because it's a little R-rated for the ears of Jasmine.
I have found the number. We have got number 2497.
2,497 on the coin.
You can probably not really see that.
It's a nice one. Well done, Jazz. They say if you hashtag I love Geek Gear, blah blah blah, you'll win some of these things at the bottom. Anyway, so yeah, like I said, that was April's Geek Gear. Let me know what you thought in the comments. Any good any things you like on the any of it?
I like the t-shirt.
You like the t-shirt? I think my favourite item's got to be probably the coin because it's collectible and I like collectibles. So, but yeah, let us know in the description what you think in the comments. Sorry. And let us know basically if you've got any different, what number coin you got, if you got a different gauntlet, if you got the rare one, let us know. Like I said. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button. We're coming up to 1,000. I'm going to do a massive giveaway when we get to 1,000. And we need to hit that 1,000 because YouTube is basically saying that we can't be part of the ad program if we don't hit 1,000. So share the video, tell everyone. Just tell everyone how awesome we are.
Yes.
And smash the thumbs up, hit the little bell so you know when we do our next videos. And we really appreciate you watching. And we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.